off with it. Live action, folks. He wanted that doggone chicken liver, didn't he? Good old pan-sized cat right there. Quit, let me get you. He took off with that thing, didn't he?
Mm-hmm. He took off with that piece. There I go. Got one today. But he's going back in, not in the skillet.
Well, we're finna reel it on in. Give y'all this little Georgia view right now. Getting about that time for them Bulldogs to play. So we gotta say go Dogs, because the SEC's looking crazy right now. I mean, we are looking bad, but we'll overcome it. We always do. Love all my subscribers. Continue to come back to the channel. What?